I've got a query on a car. My car was recalled for safety reasons by the manufacturer, and it was booked into a garage, and they told me that the work defect to remedy would take about 4 hours. So on that basis, I declined a courtesy car which they offered me. But now the car, I've been told, would take about 6 days, and I requested a courtesy car because of the longer period. And they told me to get back to me, and they never did. So I'm just wondering, am I entitled to monetary compensation in lieu?
This is tricky. This is tricky, Tony. They offered you one, you declined. Excuse me, and the reason you declined is because they didn't give you any idea how long it was going to be. They said 4 hours.
No, in writing, the letter said it would take approximately 4 hours.
Yeah, okay. Don't you just hate car repairing garages? Not all of them, but some of them. You don't have a view?
Sorry?
Don't worry. So, legal position. They're not obliged to give you a courtesy car. How old is your car, by the way?
It's about 6 years old.
Okay. Did you buy it direct from the manufacturer or from a proper?
I bought it. I bought it from a garage that represents the manufacturer.
An authorised dealer.
I bought it from new. Yeah.
So if the claim is not of satisfactory quality or has a latent defect, which is what it does sound like, you have the dealer that you bought it from is in breach of contract. Excuse me, and that means you, in theory, can bring a claim for any losses incurred as a result. Now, if you now go and hire a temporary car for 4 days, you can claim that loss from the dealer, the cost of that car from the dealer who you bought the car from originally. Not from the garage that's repairing, not from the manufacturer, but from the dealer you originally bought the car from. Sounds a bit bizarre, but that's what the law says. What you don't have a right to, Tony, is a courtesy car or the right to sue for lack of a courtesy car from the garage that you've taken the car into for repair. I'm assuming they're different garages, by the way. It might be the same garage.
No, it was the manufacturer who offered me the courtesy car. Okay.
And have you called them up and said, can I have a courtesy car now?
I did on the second day when I was told it would take about 6 days.
And they said no.
They said they'd put the case to someone else and they'd get back to me, but they never did.
Yeah. Have you got your car back?
No, I haven't. I was told it would probably be Monday, which is the 6th day.
Did you hire a courtesy car or a car?
No, I didn't.
Have you suffered any financial losses, such as taxi journeys that you've had to pay for?
No, inconvenience.
Tony, I'm afraid, I'm really sorry. I'm frustrated for you, but you're not going to be able to get any compensation just for inconvenience, I'm afraid. It's only for financial losses. It's frustrating, it's ridiculous, and I totally feel for you, and I'm sure everyone listening does, but the law's not going to help you here.